Hello guys, good morning, happy Friday.
It's Ate Faith's birthday!
Yes, today is Ate Faith 10 birthday. Ayan. But ang birthday girl ay nasa bedroom pa. Ayun, nag-aano siya, naglalaro ng gaming online. So, hindi siya nag-invite today, hindi ko alam. We see later kung may papapuntahin ba siya na friend or, but it's okay if it's not. Basta mahandaan namin ng very simple ang birthday niya today. Kasi gano'n naman ang kapag nagbe-birthday kami dito, simpulan lang. Kasi wala naman kami masyadong kilala. May kilala kaso nga lang, hindi pa ako gaanong nag-i-invite ng ganong kano. Kasi, yung sa pagluluto, kasi ang hirap maghanda, ganon. So, magluto na ako ng very light para may pang remembrance ba sa kanilang milestone birthday. So, ayan, naglagay ako ng very simple na dyan, happy birthday. And bumili kami ng cake, and then nag-request si Eldest ng ng Filipino style na spaghetti. Gusto niya daw yun. Namimiss na daw kumain ng spaghetti Filipino style. Ayun. Tsaka fried chicken. Ayun. Very simple lang. Ayan. So, ang mga boys, naglalaro na ng balloons. Ayan. Hindi ko pa napalobo ang iba. Ayan. Lagay lang ng konting balloons para sa picture mamaya.
We don't have enough balloons.
Yeah. That's okay. Because this is only left. Guys, nagluluto na ako ng request ni Eldest na spaghetti Filipino style daw. At saka magpiprito ng ilang fried chicken. Ayan. Pang merienda yung handa ni Eldest. Ayan. Favorite. Na-miss niya daw kasi yan. Ayan. Nahanap ko yung boys. Nandito pala sa bedroom ni ate. Hello ate, happy birthday. Ayan, ate, gaming online. At ang dalawang bugoy nandito sa room ni ate. Ayan. Lalaro si ate sa kanyang room. Ayan. Ang birthday girl. Naglalaro. Diba? Ako nagluluto pa ako. Ayan, tapos na ako magluto guys ng spaghetti ni Eldest. Ayan. Nandito si ate. Ayan. Happy birthday, ate. Ayan, 10 birthday. So, inaantay lang namin si daddy nila. Pumunta muna ng garbage tip. Kasi may tinapon ng mga bagay-bagay. Ayan, pag uwi nun, kakanta na namin si Eldest ng happy birthday. Inaantay lang natin, tapos kakain kami. Ayan, si Bunso. Hello. Say happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, Faith.
You need to greet ate. Happy birthday, ate. Say it. Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday,
Ate. Happy birthday, ate.
happy birthday, Ate.
Yes.
Happy
How about you? Happy birthday, ate. Busy eating chocolate.
Happy birthday, Ate Faith. Happy birthday.
Ayan. Simple celebration. Ayan, yung cake nasa fridge pa. Who's that, eh? Ayan. Spaghetti, Filipino style. Fried chicken. Ayan.
I love it.
Je moet sauce. Kijk je daar?
You want spaghetti, David, again?
No.
You yeah, because you eat before. We're eating, guys. We have visitors pero wala pa sila. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat, guys. We'll put backward.
Mommy.
Kumakain kami.
Hey, today is Auntie Faith's birthday.
Oh no!
Kumakain kami.
It's Auntie Faith's birthday.
Happy birthday! Oh, hi! You're home. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Did you sing for ate?
Hey, look.
You should sing for ate. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, it says,
Happy birthday to you. You should sing for him.
it
You should
says
sing for
happy
ate.
birthday.
Yeah, kain na kami.
Yay!
Ngayon pala kami yung friend niya na wala pa. Sabi ko,
Asan bisita mo?
wala pa eh.
Ah, di ba? Untay na natin.
That's okay. Hindi naman sila hindi naman hindi kakain yung mga. Alright.
You look like an animal. Go back to the school.
You look like a monkey. Go back to the sleep.
Ben, look at the candle. Look at
Okay.
the blow it.
Ready?
Noah, it's Auntie Faith blow it because it's
10 years old.
birthday. Cause no, we have to say happy birthday
Yes.
first.
Alright.
Alright, let's sing at
Guys, ready?
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Okay.
Okay.
Blow the candle.
There you go.
Best wishes! Woo!
It's going out.
Candle going out.
Smile.
Quick.
Alright.
Daddy,
Happy birthday,
the candle
ate.
is out.
Oh. Hey, quick. Where did you blow that?
Happy birthday
Okay.
to you.
Pinapos pa. Wala kasing ano. Oh, your turn, your red turn.
Blow out the candle.
Your red
Come on.
turn.
Come up with me. Come in. Come in.
Look.
Okay.
Happy birthday,
Ruben. Come on. Mommy,
What?
keep that.
Candle.
Okay, that's
It's
okay.
okay.
Oh, for Ruben again, for Ruben. Come
Mommy,
on.
keep this now. Mommy, keep this now. Come on, now, your turn.
Quick, come here. Come here.
Matampunin talaga to.
Come on, come on.
Yay, Ruben, you blow the candle.
Your turn, Ruben.
Happy birthday.
I'm gonna blow
Red,
one.
red, red, blow.
Let's.
Red, blows it.
No, I want to. Let's.
I want.
I want to. Let's have a turn each.
Oh,
Oh.
okay,
You
each,
just have
each,
to-
each.
Because when you blow
Until the
my
candles go.
Oh, yeah. Until the candle finish, okay? Okay.
Happy birthday
Zero.
to you.
And you, Ruben?
Red hand, quick.
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah, one more. Okay. Oh, give ba?
Wala na, wala na.
Oh, one more.
Okay.
Oh, isa pa.
Okay, I will go first.
Para magsawa.
Di pala naka.
I will go first. Please.
Happy
Oo.
birthday.
Ah,
Alright, not yet.
not yet.
Happy birthday. Woohoo!
Oh, yay, Ruben!
Let's do it again.
That's it now. Anyways, anyway. Yeah.
It's gonna take a while.
Triangle. Make it triangle.
She paid all the back rates.
Di ko naman kayo makita.
What it is, like thousands of dollars, and then she goes.
Alright. Too big naman. You like it? Ate Faith? Okay.
So when school gonna start again?
Come sit in this cup.
Yeah.
After next week.
That one na. Ate Faith gift.
Wow.
It's a backpack.
Yeah, Adidas.
Wait, there's something inside.
Wow.
This is back.
Wow, jumper.
Oh yes. It's a
To
jumper.
the front. Oh, that's the back.
Oh, what is it? What is it? Is this Mickey Mouse?
No, it's not making that.
Well, I guess there's more in here. There's more in here. There's a
Yeah,
skirt.
skirt. You're gonna wear a skirt.
Okay, and then we got some
Pants.
pants that might not fit on me.
Nice.
I like this
For
one.
winter.
I would use that on my shirt.
Yeah.
Look at that. No, that's
I'm going
mine.
to see you wear that. Oh.
Watch out. Ate,
This backpack. Oh, dang it. Okay.
at the back.
this-
Oh, wow. So
Wait,
nice.
there's something inside. I didn't look properly.
Wow. So nice.
Cinnamon roll.
This is a water bottle.
So, ayun. Tapos na kami magkainan. Nakantahan na si Eldest ng happy birthday. So, ngayon magliligpit naman na ako. Dahil wala namang bisita na ganun kadami si Eldest. Isang friend lang ang pumunta at ang isang friend ko din na pumunta na Pilipina. Kapitbahay lang namin. So, ayun. Ligpit-ligpitan na. Ayan. Ayan, may natirang konting cake, konting spaghetti, ayan. Maraming sauce, pero bibili na lang ulit ako ng pasta para makapagluto ulit. Pwedeng i-breakfast bukas. Ayan. Ayan, ito na lang din ang natira na spaghetti. Ayan. Dinner ni Eldest mamaya. Ayan, chicken.